A rolling forecast is a dynamic financial planning and analysis technique used by organizations to maintain a continuous, forward-looking view of their financial performance and expectations. Unlike traditional static budgets that are set annually and rarely adjusted, a rolling forecast is an ongoing process that updates and extends the budget into the future as time progresses. The essence of a rolling forecast lies in its flexibility and adaptability. Instead of relying on a fixed budget for an entire fiscal year, companies use rolling forecasts to continuously project their financial outlook for a predefined period, typically 12 to 18 months. As each month passes, the forecast is extended by 1 month, ensuring that the organization always has a view of the coming months ahead. This approach offers several advantages. Firstly, it allows companies to respond more effectively to changing market conditions, economic shifts, or unexpected events. By revisiting and revising the forecast regularly, organizations can make timely adjustments to their strategies, resource allocation, and operational plans. Additionally, a rolling forecast fosters a culture of agility and adaptability within the organization. It encourages cross-functional collaboration and communication as different departments contribute to the forecast, ensuring that the entire company is aligned with its financial goals and objectives. Rolling forecasts can also help companies better manage risk and uncertainty. By continuously updating their financial projections, organizations are better equipped to identify potential issues or opportunities early on, allowing them to take proactive measures to mitigate risks or capitalize on opportunities. Furthermore, rolling forecasts are valuable tools for improving financial decision-making. They provide management with a clearer picture of the financial implications of their choices and enable them to make more informed decisions in real time. This can be particularly beneficial for companies operating in industries with rapidly changing market conditions or high levels of competition. Implementing a rolling forecast requires robust financial modeling and forecasting capabilities. Companies typically use advanced financial software or dedicated forecasting tools to create and manage rolling forecasts effectively. These tools help automate the process, gather data from various sources, and facilitate collaboration among different departments and teams. In conclusion, a rolling forecast is a dynamic financial planning approach that extends the budgeting process beyond a static annual budget. It offers numerous benefits, including enhanced adaptability, improved risk management, and better informed decision-making. By continuously updating financial projections, organizations can navigate the complexities of today's business environment with greater confidence and agility, ultimately improving their chances of long-term success.